Hey besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today it's another day, and it's actually cold, it's cloudy, looks like it's gonna rain. So I actually have a few errands to run at the mall. So let's go to the mall together and get those few items. See you guys. Hey guys, I look so crusty. Even my hair, la bona. Ka fatshe ka mo. Mara se tse dintsi. So guys, we're at the mall. Also went to get my delivery. Can't wait to show you guys what's inside the delivery day. I'll be unboxing a few packages that I got from a few brands that I'm currently working with. So firstly, I'll be unboxing the Love Me hair. Let's see what's inside and what they've sent here. I'll tag you guys. If you need a weave, go to Love Me hair. There's the hairband for melting the lace, you know. Okay, and then afterwards we got this small case. Let's see what's inside as well. It's the hair clip that's written Love Me, and the edge brush, sorry, the tweezer, and the hair clips. So these are gonna help me do my hair. And then next, let's see. Oh, it's this smaller yana bag for the hair. So cute. It's even matching with my outfit. So cute, right? And then after that, we got the wig cap, and here it's just a small pamphlet. It shows you how to use and take care of the hair and other stuff that you may need to know about the hair. So let's get to the main. So this hair it's the 10-inch and color 1B. Let's see how it looks like. It's the bob. It's giving, you know, it's giving. Ha moya o tla mo morere must shake. Morere o tshwantse o bontsha gore o itseng. This is how it looks like inside. It has this band, and yeah, the hair clips. And then let's see the lace. The lace is gonna give way. The lace way. Where is the lace? Where is the lace? You know. So yeah, guys. Oh, it's the glueless wig. Yeah, it's glueless. You don't have to install it. It looks perfectly fine. I even love the texture when it's giving, man, those vibes. So let's try it on and see. I already straightened the hair, so I'm just gonna use the thingy, the hot comb, just to make it look so much better. You guys, I love the hair. It looks so nice. Plus I love like bobs, like short hair. I don't like the long ones, but I think I should try the long hair. I'll actually try them. So oh, it's giving. It's okay. Let's see the lace. Can you see the lace? No, my sister, you can't see the lace. I love it so much. It's giving those rich aunt vibes. Rich aunt vibes. Vibes. It looks fine here. I don't have to use the glue, but if you feel like you need to use the glue to make it look better, you can use it, but I feel like it's fine like this. You see, you just put it on and then you are done. You are done, my girl. They're gonna know me this summer, you know the vibes. They're like, hi Paul, hi. The happiness that comes with getting like the new hair, guys. I'm so excited. I love the hair. I'm already rocking it now. I'm rocking it, I'm rocking it. Okay, so we're done with the hair. Let's see the other packages that I got. Okay, the next package is this cute little box that I got from the seller. I think they sell tea. Now they introduced the capsules, which is sorry. They've introduced the capsules, so let's see what's inside. You can get them at Clicks, Discam, and Cosmetics Connections, and also ShopRite. So let's unbox and see what's inside. This one is for the bladder daily support, for cleansing your bladder, I think. Yeah, let's see. Okay, keeps the urine clean, painful urination, urinary infection, bladder infection. It actually cleans and supports your bladder. It's all about that. Let me put it here so that you guys can see it properly. And then this one, it's for clear skin. If you have like skin problems, having a clear skin, it's the best thing. So this one also helps with eczema, supple skin, even skin tone, stretch marks as well, the ladies, and pimples and acne, reducing scars, and many more. This is how the container looks like. It's all the capsules. And then lastly, we have the one for constipation. Yeah, this one helps with detoxing, cleansing, and so many more. Here are the packages, and you can get them at those shops that I've mentioned, and they are very affordable. I believe they are very affordable. So let me plug you guys. Plug. Okay guys, so we also have the last package that I got. It's vitamin me. So I think it's also the capsules. I don't know what's inside, but I think it's the capsules. So this is your targeted vitamin routine. Yeah, it has to do with health or whatever. So yeah, I saw it at Clicks as well. They also have the one for they have the multivitamins and for hair growth and strength, and they actually have a lot even for digestion and other stuff. And also, okay, this is what's inside. Let me show you guys how the package looks like. This is how the package looks like. And this one is for microbiome and digestive health as well. You can get it at Clicks, Discam, and other shops. I'm not sure, but yes. So I haven't tried all of these capsules. I can't wait to try them on. Actually, I can't wait to try them and then give you guys a feedback on how they are. Yes, that's all for today. And okay, let me do this. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget to go get, okay, I'll give you guys a feedback, and then after that, that's when you guys can go get the supplements if you want to. But I think for my girlies, the one for the clear skin, I believe everyone wants a clear skin. Okay, for constipation as well. Actually, get everything, even the hair, go get them. Don't say I didn't plug you. Don't say I didn't plug you. This guy I can let it next life. So yes, hey guys, today I'm coming back with a different thingy, you know. And guess what? It still feels like a dream. It's so unbelievable. Like wow. So guys, guess what? I'm becoming a mom. And so on today's video, I just want to show you guys the things that I got for our little bunny. So yeah, it's not like a lot of things, because we've just been buying things bit by bit. So I actually want to show you guys the things I got and where did I get them from. I'm not sure about the prices. I think the slips are still here. I'll show you guys. But yeah, that's that. Ooh. Sure, guys, when did you get here? When did we get here? Okay, fine. Which one do I start with? Let me start with this goodies bag that we got from Burnett's. It's actually quite a lot of things inside here. So yeah, it's this. Oh, actually, let me show guys. Oh, it's the Aquas cream and baby eczema ease, baby balm cream, and the nipple cream, the pure glycerin soap. It's a lot of things. And thank you so much, Bernard's, for this wonderful gift bag. And this one is hair and body wash, and this is the other, or this one is the baby moisturizing cream. I didn't show you guys this. Yeah. And this one is the baby's Aquas cream, and then the nose spray. Okay guys, it's a lot of things. Come. And then this one for babies and toddlers, King Mousse spray. I think it's for mosquitoes. Yeah, it's the same thing, but this one is a stick, it's not a spray. And then this one, or is the SPF 50, the sunblock, sorry. And then this is the bath drops. Sorry. And then lastly we have, what's this, the balm cream and baby wipes. Oh, I think I saw it on someone Instagram where you put like the wipes somewhere. Oh, here, the wipes here, and then the bum cream somewhere here so that you don't struggle when you change your baby's nappies. So yeah, that's all. That's what's in. So yeah guys, that's what we got from the Burnett's, and thank you so much for the gift bag. We can't wait to use them. The mommy club. Guys, oh okay, the next one is the things we got from, what's this? Actually inside here I think it's a mix because we just mixed everything, and then after this video I'm just gonna like arrange my bag, pack my bag, because it's almost time. It's almost time, guys. Okay, so yeah, it's just the mix of things from Pep and Ackermans. So we got this socks. They're big. I don't know if they are for newborns or what, but either way, didn't say little moleka. So these ones are from Pep, the cute socks. And then we got this. Oh my gosh, baby's clothes are so cute. They are so adorable. Okay, this one is from Pep. I heard Hori, the vests from Pep are like good quality other than these other shops. There's also the vest we got from Pep. Cute, cutie, 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 cutie. Okay guys, get nervous. I'm so nervous. I don't know. Oh shit, these are so cute. Cutie, cutie. Okay, and then we also got the other vibes and this little cute socks from, where are they from? From Ackermans as well. And then Daddy decided to get this cute shoes from Ackermans. And also these are the cloth, like the face cloth. Cutie cutie. And then say kitty body warmer, or the body, yeah, body warmer onesie vibes. Hey guys, okay, also this one, it's almost the same thing, different colors. Oops, sorry. This cutie 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 cutie, and also this hat. What else? Yeah, we got like just a few things. We'll just add up when time goes by. We didn't want to get a lot of things. This pacifiers from Pep, the baby powder, and the Vaseline. We also got these from Pep as well, and also got like a few cosmetics, the ones that were missing. And I think, guys, yeah, that's what we got. And also these other socks, these are so cute, like look how tiny they are. And also, okay, lastly, this from the Pep. We got this small blankie. How much was it? 70. Not bad. And also this one, this big one, this big blanket. It's actually cute and warm. So yeah guys, that's what we got for our little pumpkin that's the way, and I can't wait to meet the little pumpkin. But like, yeah guys, and I actually didn't start buying things like earlier because I wasn't sure. Like, I was still nervous. It always felt like I'm dreaming. So on my last trimester, that's when I saw her. Hey baba, this thing is real. It's real. You need to go like get things for the baby and whatsoever. And also, there's like, I placed an order on Takealot of a few things. So I'll show you guys when the order arrives, because I think it's gonna arrive tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow is Friday. It's gonna arrive tomorrow. So I'll show you guys what I got from Takealot. It's not a lot of things, but it's actually like a few things. So I'll show you guys what I got from Takealot. See you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow. The mom. Where guys? Ooh, I can't believe, you know. So unbelievable. So unbelievable. Well, at least my nose is not that big. I can move. I'm not that bad. Ah, one guys. Baba baby. Nashem, I just gained hanyani fella. It's not a train smash. You can still see it's still the same person. It's still poor. It's still that person that we know. So yeah, guys, see you tomorrow. Hey guys, it's another day and I just got my delivery. Oh my gosh, I look so crusty today. But yeah, I just got the delivery. I'll show you guys what's inside. Yeah guys, that's everything that I got from Takealot, and thanks for watching the video. See you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.